One&Only manager. I would like to share some ideas with you parents that are at home with your children during these unusual times. Today we're going to make Play-Doh. So the ingredients you're going to need is 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, some oil, this can be any kind of oil, water, and food coloring. It could be any color that you wish. So first step, you will also need a container. First step will be you would grab your flour, put it in your container, make sure that all that is out. We're going to pour some salt in here, and we're going to mix it. Make sure the salt is mixed well with the flour. Once the salt is completely mixed with your flour, you will start adding some water. What I like to do is add the food coloring to your water, that way you get that out of the way. So just a couple of drops. If it's warm water, it's much easier. That's it. And then we're gonna slowly start adding some water. Please keep in mind that you will be getting dirty, but make sure you mix in all the water. Once you mix the water, keep adding it regularly. Make sure you get all the flour from the corners, which is the hardest part sometimes, depending on your container. If it's flat, it would be better. Once you start seeing it mesh together, keep mixing, add a little more water. If it's too hard or stiff, you can start adding olive oil or whatever oil it is that you're using. But make sure that you get all that flour so it's easier for you at the end. I don't know what the camera person is saying. So as you can see, you can start stretching it a little. That means it's almost ready for the oil. Remember, this is messy, so try to take off your ring if you have a ring. Use clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. So once it feels like stretchy but not stretchy enough, you know it's ready for oil. There's not an amount set. It totally depends on you and how stretchy you would like for it to feel. The oil helps it come off your hands completely. If you feel it's too wet or too slimy, you can add more flour, but be careful because if you add too much, you have to continue adding water. And there you go. You got yourself some Play-Doh.